spent yesterday and last night and today here at the Blythe Island Regional Park in Georgia. I really like it here. It's beautiful. I'm in what they call a primitive campground, dispersed camping. There's no facilities in the particular campground part. In the main campground, of course, there are. I thought I'd just walk out here a little bit and kind of give you a panoramic view of the circle. The trail that leads to this has a bunch of campsites off of it, and it is really a beautiful drive just coming through that. Spanish moss hanging in the trees. There's these, I don't know, they're pine trees, not pine trees, pineapple type trees, I don't know what you call them. Real low lying ones that are all over the place. But we'll swing around here when I get out here just a few more feet, where you can look down the path here. You can see behind me, this is kind of the circle drive that we're at, and off of this we have all these different types of camp places, and I'll just swing the camera around here. You can see down the path there. So there's probably, you know, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 campgrounds or camping places along this road right there to this point. Each of them are numbered, like this is number 7 on a post right there, and I'm currently in number 9. And there's water off to the left here, and a guy was telling me that he had been fishing there, and he had caught a bunch of good fish, so that's pretty cool. I wish that I could go fishing, but I didn't bring a fishing rod. And of course, I don't have a fishing license. So, alrighty, I just registered for a second night here. It's starting to rain. A fishing pier. Oh, again. Do I wish that I had my fishing rod. Unfortunately, I can't walk out there because I don't have a life jacket. But let me just peek over here far enough to see. So there's some huge ships there on the opposite shore. Not even huge, they're big tall things. And look at all the pelicans that are up there on top of those posts. How pretty is this? I just love that Spanish moss that hangs from the trees. Get up here so you can see it. That's awesome. And look at the lake back here in the background. I really wish I had a fishing rod and a fishing license. I love fishing. It's just really peaceful and relaxing. Kind of like camping is. I have to say, I'm getting a lot more exercise than I got when I was at home, and it's feeling good. Well, I see a couple of paddle boards or kayaks over there, plastic ones. That would be a lot of fun. I wonder if they're for use by people here. I'd have to walk all the way back to the office to ask. So, but isn't that pretty? Sandy Beach, I wonder if they allow swimming here. It's got that wire going across to keep people within the bounds there. All right, I'm going to head to the primitive campsite. Okay, this is the road that leads off to the primitive campsites. And No alcohol allowed. I'm glad for that. But isn't this pretty? It costs $21 to camp here a night. I would rather that it was free, obviously, but a couple nights, not bad. Can't complain. I think there's only one other camping family here, a couple perhaps, and me. Of course, it's midweek right now. Things will fill up a little bit later. Well, there I see somebody. That's the way it is. Life is good. Hope all is well with you, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that button. I'd appreciate it. See you later.